Guys, welcome back to my video. In this video I am going to solve the video rendering error in kinemaster. To download from the Play Store and see if it is working or not. If it is not working, then you can easily download a lower version of KineMaster like 5.0.8 or 4, the diamond version. The link will be given below so you can download easily. You can export your project by CAN file. First, you have to export the CAN file into a selective folder and import your CAN file from another phone. This way, it will help you avoid the render error and it will save your project file also. If any of these methods work, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.